Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to straighten a crooked photo. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. So as you see, this photo that I have in my GIMP, it is a little bit crooked. I did take it away on purpose, but let's say I was like, I kind of actually want this to be straight instead. I'm going to show you how to do it. So you're going to go to the left side onto your toolbox once you drag your picture into your section. And then right click and go to the rotate and click on the picture that it is that you want to edit. And then I'm just going to go ahead and rotate it to make it straight adjacent to my picture. And as you see, it's a little bit more straight now, but it's out of the view. So maybe then I can go to my scale, make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm like, that's still a little crooked. So I'm going to grab my rotate tool again. I'm going to grab it. I'm going to make him straight. And then I'm like, okay, now that looks a lot more straight. But again, it's out of view. So maybe I'll even take my perspective warper a little bit and try to like warp the perspective just a little bit. I hit transform. And then now look at that. Now that picture is definitely a lot less crooked than it was, as you see. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Noticing though right here that my picture is a little bit not showing at the bottom there, so I'd have to readjust and then make sure it fits into both sides. But now my picture will be straight. Thank you guys so much for watching.